Alright, this is my Canyon Coolers Nomad 20 charcoal colored. Now I am here at my little place in Florida, and I've already taken off the wrapping just to make this a little more production friendly, because this comes wrapped in plastic, one of those bags your mom used to tell you, don't stick your head in there, you'll suffocate yourself. So here is the bag. Check that out. We'll just knock that off there. That is the bag. Very nice. Now I want to tell you that the thing that struck me the most, you want to check out the features, you can do this and pause the video, check it out, read about their unlimited lifetime guarantee. But what struck me was when you put your hand inside of here, I don't know if I can show you a good look or not, but it is extremely thick. I'm guessing well over an inch thick of insulation in here. Very nice tight opening here. That way, you know, when you're getting your beverages out, it keeps it nice and cool in there. And you can see the strap is down in there. Now, the one other thing I want to show you real quick is it's got these quick releases on either side. Now, when you release those quick releases, it opens up the top here a little wider and allows you a little bit easier access to get in and out. But what's cool about this, it always kind of has a nice snug opening here. So, you know, you definitely can zip it closed, you know, very easily with the zipper here. It's hard to zip with one hand, so I paused that. But you can see once it's zipped, look how nice and tight that seam is. I mean, you're not going to get any cool air coming through there. And if I didn't show it already, nice little bottle opener feature here. So that is the Canyon Coolers Nomad cooler. I think there's still time as a great gift idea. Look, it's even got stuff you can stuff your flip-flops, or I guess a can, bottle, whatever you want to pop there on the side. So go out and get yourself a Canyon cooler. Pretty awesome.